As a professional in the parts business, you often need to balance the twin demands of price and quality. How do you clarify with your customers, whether they're DIFM or DIY, that the real question that needs to be answered when it comes to a vehicle suspension system is, what is the value? Vehicle safety and performance are paramount. One critical aspect for safe driving is the vehicle suspension system, particularly the shocks and struts. These components are often overlooked by vehicle owners, but their importance cannot be overstated. Regular inspections of shocks and struts are essential, not just for maintaining ride comfort, but also for ensuring the safety of your customers on the road. Shocks absorb and dampen the energy from road impacts, preventing the vehicle from bouncing excessively. Struts, on the other hand, provide structural support for vehicle suspension, holding the body of the vehicle up and keeping the tires aligned with the road. Without properly functioning shocks and struts, a vehicle's ride quality, handling, and safety are significantly compromised. Shocks and struts work together to control the impact and rebound as the vehicle travels over uneven surfaces, ensuring that the tires remain in contact with the road. This contact is crucial for safe braking, steering, and overall handling. When they wear out, the tires can lose contact, leading to uneven tire wear. This not only shortens the life of the tires, but also negatively affects the vehicle's alignment and handling. Tire experts say that worn shocks and struts reduce tire life by 20%. Over time, shocks and struts naturally wear out. This wear is gradual, so many drivers don't notice the change in their vehicle's performance until it becomes a serious problem. When shocks and struts are worn, the vehicle's weight isn't distributed evenly during braking. This can increase stopping distances, causing the vehicle to sway or bounce, and decreases the driver's ability to control the vehicle, increasing the likelihood of an accident. This can also put additional strain on other parts of the suspension system, leading to premature wear and potentially costly repairs. Regular inspections ensure that shocks and struts are functioning correctly, reducing the risk of accidents due to poor handling, braking, or control. Identifying and replacing worn shocks and struts early can prevent more expensive repairs down the road, such as replacing tires, suspension components, or addressing alignment issues. When talking to your customers about shocks and struts, it's important to communicate the value of regular inspections in terms they can understand. Explain how these components affect the vehicle's safety, handling, and comfort. Use analogies if necessary. Compare worn shocks and struts to worn-out shoes that no longer provide the necessary support. FCS Auto Parts offers customers a cost-effective alternative to OE without compromising on quality. By educating your customers on the importance of regular shock and strut inspections, you help them maintain their vehicles in optimal conditions. Regular inspections can identify wear and tear before it leads to more significant problems, and they'll lead to many benefits for your clients. Thanks for watching.